डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में आज का मुकाबला है मुंबई महारथी और एमपी योद्धा के बीच। शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला मुकाबला जो कि है मेंस 65 यानी कि 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबला। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के हरफूल। डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवियर सज्जनों एमपी योद्धास की ओर से आ रहे हैं अजरबैजान मूल के और उनके टीम कैप्टन हाजी अलीयेव। देवियर सज्जनों इस बात पे
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, it is action time right now. Dabar চ্যবনপ্রাশ Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul. I am Joe Bard and we have a very special guest here with us who is helping me with the commentary. He is the CEO of the league, Dabar চ্যবনপ্রাশ Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra. Welcome, sir, to what a wonderful day it is going to be.
Thank you, Joe. It's going to be a very exciting finish here. And let's hope the...
As of now, as we can see, both the wrestlers are trying to gauge each other. Haji Aliyev has already won his team about in the earlier occasion. Both the teams have won a match day.
Yes, absolutely. This is going to be a clincher for both the teams. In fact, this win will secure semi-final match. Yes.
In our headphones, Hindi commentary is too loud. Ladies and gentlemen, Harpul Singh from Mumbai Maharathi is doing it. He caught Haji Aliyev by surprise. And these are the wonders of Pro Wrestling League.
It's very surprising. Harpul makes the first attempt. Looking at it, let's see how Haji Aliyev takes it. Yes.
See, this is where you have to be concentrating on your game as well. I think Haji Aliyev took it lightly, his opponent Harpul.
In fact, he's known as the golden boy in his country. He's one of the best of 65 kg in the world. And look at Harpul now. I think they're checking each other.
It's full of excitement right now. This is match number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Harpul and Haji Aliyev. Team captain Haji Aliyev somehow looks a little overconfident. I don't know why.
Because he's the golden boy and he's won many medals at the World Championship. In fact, he's trying to also look at his knee. He's recuperating from his knee injury. And let's see how he takes it. I think he's going slow and steady on this.
Yes, by the end of the day, I think lower body is very important in terms of power. All that has to be really looked after.
Right.
And all these wrestlers do get injured quite a lot.
Yes, absolutely. The 65 kg and the lower weight categories, the entire weight comes on the knee. So therefore, you find a lot of wear and tear with the lower categories.
That is why I see Harpul wearing his knee guards, and I think Harpul is in trouble. Harpul has been grappled as of now, and this is what a lightning move on part of Haji Aliyev. I think this is what he was probably looking for, and maybe that is why we had the wrong notion that probably he was taking it a little too easy.
Yes, Haji has a very nice way of giving his left foot out and suddenly taking it back.
So, and that was an element of surprise.
Yes.
We could see that in the action replay, as we can see. And that was Haji Aliyev has taken a 3-point advantage in the first round.
Well, on paper, Haji Aliyev is far superior to Harful, or Fula as they call him. But let's see how it takes
European Championship 2018, he won the gold medal. And Rio Olympics, he won the bronze medal in 2016. Yes, quite a prolific player. That's what Haji Aliyev is from Azerbaijan.
He's caught it again. Harful looks in trouble now. Oh, he's managed to get him outside. Half time.
Yeah, it was trouble time, but that was over, as we could see. Ahead in the game, let's see what game plan Harpul has. As you say, Pula.
Yes.
That's his nickname, is it?
Absolutely. He's from Gannor district in Haryana.
Okay.
And he enjoys a very good following here in the 65 kg category.
Thank you, Sunil, being part of the commentary today, because we get to hear all these information that you're bringing us closer to these wrestlers, these stars. And
See the crowd. His Gannor crowd is all here and they're backing him, backing the
totally
wrestler.
going hysterical, because I think they are really behind Pula right now.
Yes, he is. Yes, they are. You must not forget that he's playing in that 65 kg Bajrang category, and he's very well decorated there in this category.
Yes, of course, 2018 National Championship, he won the gold medal. And of course, in Commonwealth Championships, of course, in 2016, he won the gold. So Harpul is not a newbie as of now, if we can check.
Yes, he's not. In fact, he trains very rigorously at the Chhatrasal Stadium with the great Sushil Palwan. And that's where he's getting all his tenacity and strength. You could see him.
Red action.
Yes.
Well, as of now, needs to open an account. Pula is trying his level best, all his might. This is just about 1 minute over in the second round of this first bout. And it's getting interesting, because we can see a little frustration on Harpul's face.
In fact, he tried 2 attacks and he missed out on that. Suddenly, the game is just 3 points away. And you see the counter attacks coming fast and furious.
Some action, okay.
Well, he's trying not to waste any time possible, trying to get the chink in Haji Aliyev's armor. If he can figure that out, we'll see. Now, there's a word of caution that we can see the referee giving away. The referee Saab is quite ahead on Mr. Satyadev Malik is the one here right now. And what we need to see another sparkle of intelligence on behalf of Haji Aliyev. And he's got a 2-pointer with the way he attacked Harpul. But he's not going to be content with that. He wants to finish it off with a couple of more rounds. But those points could not be converted, because quite defensive was the stance Harpul had taken on the mat. They crawl down like a crab, and then they just spread eagle their legs. You know, that's the way they just kind of do not let the opponent to twist and turn and get into the barrel roll, as in the replay we had seen once back with the action. Haji Aliyev with a 5-point advantage. Sunil, what do you think should be Harpul's game plan?
I think now he has to go all out with 50 seconds odd remaining. I think his only best chance is to go on his leg attack. Yeah,
And
that's
as
what
you preempted. Yes, I like that. I like that. Ladies and gentlemen, sitting in front of the television sets, we are getting helped by Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra. He's giving us all those inside information, and of course, the way these wrestlers are thinking.
Haji is now buying time for the next.
Is getting on to defense now, trying the TWT happening, the time-wasting techniques.
Yes. He knows he's already got the bout in his bag, unless there's something different that Harpul does.
Last 15 seconds. Let's see what Harpul gets his might all right and get on and probably attack. Maybe save his face by opening his account, because he's still not been able to get any. Oh, yeah, that was a move he wanted to do. That was an attack which actually went heavy on him.
Yes, this is how it happens. When you go for an attacking game, you do concede some points. And this is what happened here in the first thing. However, there's nothing to lose, because Haji Aliyev is golden boy of 65 kg category.
Yeah, and of course, I've seen him handling his captaincy pretty well, coordinating with the players. He goes, talks to all the players.
मत ले पंगा।